Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video we will see how to crop an image using Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. For this you require a photograph. Okay, we have the sample image. Let's do a right click, edit with paint. Okay, to crop this image, at the bottom you can see the pixels of the selection. Okay, suppose if you want to crop it to a specific pixels like 500 by 600, then you can look at the bottom the status bar, the selection pixel. Okay, now to crop this image we'll select this rectangle from the selection. Okay, make sure you have selected this tool and we will draw a rectangle. Okay, so we have selected this image and you can see the selection pixels. It is a 575 cross 708 pixel image selection. Now you can do edit, cut. Okay, click on file, new, don't save, and over here go to edit and paste. Okay, so this is the cropped image. We will save this, click on file, save as JPEG. We'll name this crop and we are going to save this to downloads directory and click on save. Let's close this. See, we have cropped an image using MS Paint. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.